Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Well, we've been talking about fuel economy and how you can improve it. Before I go on, make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube. So over the last few videos, we've been talking about the modifications you do to your vehicle and the maintenance you do to your vehicle and how this impacts on fuel economy. But today I want to actually talk to you about the driving style and how this has an impact on your fuel economy. This might come as a bit of a surprise to you guys, but one thing that can have an impact on your fuel economy is your cruise control. And the reason I say this is when you do get to driving along and you come to elevations in the road, the cruise control can be really quite harsh on the vehicle and kicking it back a number of gears. And in so, the acceleration of the vehicle to maintain that speed. Whereas with your throttle, just applying it, you're not going to be so aggressive. So what this does cause is more frequent shifts in the gearbox. And in doing that, you're seeing an increase in fuel consumption from the number of gear shifts and the revving and the increase in throttle response to achieve the desired speed. The second one to talk about is fluctuation on the pedal. That's on and off the pedal, as well as when you're driving the vehicle, those hard accelerations. The inconsistency on when driving the vehicle will increase the fuel consumption. The better you are at maintaining throttle control will minimize fuel consumption. This one might sound a little bit silly, but it's actually your braking and how you brake in the vehicle. Because I'll give you an example, when you're driving along the highway and you apply the brake too much, you're actually washing off too much speed. Then to build up speed again, you need to apply more throttle. So just be mindful, unnecessary braking and washing off too much speed will also impact your long-term fuel economy. So this one probably is no surprise, but it comes to towing, and that's to ensure when you're driving the vehicle that is doing the towing, you're in the right gear, because a lot of people try and drive the vehicle and get the RPMs as low as they possibly can. In a lot of instances, this is the vehicle actually out of the efficiency zone. You want the vehicle in the right efficiency zone so that you're getting the best fuel economy possible. And the final one is highway speed. The faster you go, the more drag you create. When you do go from 90 kilometers an hour, as an example, up to 100 kilometers an hour when you're towing your big 3-ton, that drag significantly increases. And in doing that, obviously you see an increase in fuel with the energy required to propel your vehicle. So we've covered off a number of areas about fuel economy, the modifications you've done to your vehicle, the maintenance you've done to your vehicle, and your own driving style. Hope it's given you a bit of an insight in how you can improve the fuel economy for your vehicle.